Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming what you have and why mismatch happens. Open the file and note drift points, then read frame rate and audio sample rate. Once done, compare container frame rate to project settings because a frame rate mismatch causes progressive drift over time. Make sure your audio sample rate matches your timeline, otherwise resampling will stretch or compress sound. If the file uses variable frame rate, flag it now. That's a common source of sync loss and needs conversion to constant frame rate before editing. You now convert and align. Transcode any variable frame rate footage to a constant frame rate matching your timeline because editors handle CFR reliably. Next, resample audio to the project sample rate using a high-quality resampler so timing stays intact without pitch change. Once converted, import both tracks and place the known sync point, clap, slate, or spoken marker on the same frame. After that, play a 10-30-second section to confirm alignment before continuing. This prevents propagating an error through the whole project. You finish by fine-tuning and validating. Use millisecond nudges or slip edits to correct small offsets, and then play long sections to watch for cumulative drift. Make sure you didn't apply speed changes or pitch shifts that alter duration. If drift returns, inspect original file for frame drops or variable frame rate and reconvert. Finally, export a short test clip and review it on a different player. This ensures the exported file stays in sync. If problems persist, re-record or match clocks on capture devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.